welcome back to Like Mother Like Daughter. I'm Twila, and I have a question for you. Do you Bulu? So this is going to be a very quick unboxing of my February Bulu box. I know it's very late in February. I'm not even sure if I'm going to get this up in February. I've had a very busy, very busy February. But I just want to say their boxes, they have these cute sayings on the front like, start a healthy adventure. And then they'll have like, you are stronger than you think. You are awesome. Positive vibes only. Break the rules. Keep moving. Now it's your time. Keep calm. Just go. Be yourself. Enjoy the moment. Running looks good on you. Rise and shine. It's just dream big. They just gotta have all these great quotes on there, and I think that's fabulous for a company to put on their boxes. Positive reinforcement for your healthy lifestyle, which that's what Bulu Box is. I will link all their information below down in the description bar or the description box. It's a $10 a month subscription. I pay $5 a month. If you've seen any of my previous videos, you know there's a coupon code over a year ago that I used, and I got $5 off for life. I do have a coupon code myself. I'll link it here and down below. If you're interested, you can get your box for $5.99. If not, just keep watching these videos. It's fun for me. I got a bunch of coupons and little informational cards, but I have enjoyed my Bulu box. I get the original box. They have a weight loss box, but I get the original box, and I've never been disappointed really for my $5. So let's see, they have in here some Zolly Pops. Now these look like lollipops, and that's why they're called Zolly Pops. But the Zolly Pops were created by a young girl. Here she is. And they are for those that have halitosis or bad breath. You eat these. This girl was 12 years old when she created this, okay? 12 years old. Just support your kids because they have great ideas. This is sugar-free, gluten-free, non-GMO, kosher, vegan, peanut-free, made with natural flavors and colors in the USA. This is clean teeth candy. So this helps your teeth remineralize and get stronger. It helps with bad breath. They raise the pH or neutralize the pH somehow after you eat. So, and they're not bad for you. And how many times can you say that about a lollipop, that it's not bad for you? So keep these in your purse. Give these to your kids after they eat. It's not bad for them. Zolly Pops. Okay, next thing here is the sample. It's a foil packet, but for you guys that know I travel, I take these with me when I travel. This is Seaweed Bath Company Volumizing Argan Shampoo and Conditioner for Normal to Fine Limp Hair. And it's lavender scented. What makes this special? Gluten-free, vegan, hand-harvested seaweed, 65 vitamins and minerals. I'm going to try it. Okay, the next two things we have in here are from Synedron Complete Joint Health. This is their triple action supplement for immunodrin. So it helps with joint comfort and mobility and a healthy immune system. It has turmeric and boswellia in it. So these are supplement pills that you take. This is their maximum strength arthritis and muscle pain relief, and I believe this is a full size of 3 ounces. It also has the immunodrin in it, but it also has hyaluronic acid, aloe vera, and vitamin E. So I do like the, they had a muscle relief cream, I think, the last time that I used it, and I like this, but I liked it a lot. So this is a gel, whereas the other one was a cream. And then the last thing that they have in here is a Night Clear Sleep Aid, 1 dose with diphenhydramine in it. It's a liquid. It says it's non-habit forming and for ages 12 and up. So you just drink this. It's like a shot of sleepy time. So you just drink this and it helps you fall asleep. It's diphenhydramine, which is diphenhydramine, which is found in a lot of the sleep aids, over-the-counter pills. I think this is just maybe for someone who doesn't like pills, likes to get it directly into their system right away. So I will try that because we all know, if you've been on my channel before, and I've mentioned it, I don't sleep well. And yes, I know, I drink a lot of coffee. I drink a lot of caffeine. I know if I were to give that up, I could probably fall asleep a little bit easier, but to each their vices, okay? So, not a bad box for the $5 that I spent for this. So, pretty great box for the month of February, and I'm going to keep continuing to get my Bulu box. So, thanks for watching, y'all. Come back and see me again. Have a great day. Mwah!